Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy. Hey everyone, ever wondered how to make your crypto work for you? Today, we're diving into the world of crypto staking, specifically focusing on how to do it effortlessly right on Coinbase. Staking is a fantastic way to earn rewards on your digital assets, almost like earning interest in a traditional bank account, but often with better returns. Coinbase has simplified this process, making it accessible even if you're new to the crypto space. In this video, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you understand exactly how to start earning passive income with your crypto portfolio. So, what exactly is crypto staking? Think of it like this. When you stake your cryptocurrency, you're essentially locking up your digital assets to help support the operations of a blockchain network. This process is crucial for cryptocurrencies that use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, as your staked assets help to validate transactions and secure the network. In return for your participation and contribution to the network's stability, you're rewarded with new coins, which is how you earn passive income. It's a direct way to contribute to the blockchain's health while growing your own holdings. Now, why would you choose Coinbase specifically for staking? Well, for starters, Coinbase is incredibly user-friendly, making the entire process straightforward even if you're not a tech expert. They really simplify the often complex technical aspects of staking, so you don't have to worry about running your own node or dealing with uptime requirements. Everything is managed conveniently within your existing Coinbase account. Plus, their platform allows you to easily track your staking rewards, monitor your staked assets, and even unstake them when you need to, giving you excellent control and transparency over your investments. Alright, let's get down to the practical steps of staking on Coinbase. First, make sure you own one of the cryptocurrencies eligible for staking on their platform, such as Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana. Once you have an eligible asset, simply log into your Coinbase account, then navigate to the Earn or Rewards section. You'll see a list of available assets for staking. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake, review the estimated annual percentage yield, and confirm your decision. It's usually as simple as a few clicks, and Coinbase will guide you through the remaining prompts to finalize your staking process. While staking on Coinbase is relatively simple, it's important to understand both the rewards and some key considerations. The main benefit is earning passive income, as you'll receive regular payouts directly into your account for as long as your assets are staked. However, do be aware that some cryptocurrencies have a lockup period, meaning your assets might not be immediately accessible once staked. Additionally, the annual percentage yield, or APY, can fluctuate based on network demand and activity, so your earnings might vary. Always review the specific terms for each asset on Coinbase before you commit. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.